Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI, and this over-the-sink drying rack has made the process of drying my dishes so much easier.
So I know for me, washing dishes is not my favorite thing to do, but this over-the-sink drying rack from the brand Ohuhu has made things easier, and I love having stuff around that just makes my life easier and everyday to things just easier. I love that this is like a silicone material. It's easy to move about my sink. It is easy to store. If you roll it up, it goes super small. I tend to just leave it out all the time. I have a bigger sink, so it's never really in my way. I love that I can use this for many purposes. I use this every day. I use this when I'm washing my fruit. I just leave it there to drain. And also, of course, primarily for washing dishes, my pots and pans. I also really like that it is heat resistant, as I have used this, when I'm draining my pasta, I can put my pan on there and I don't have to worry about it like hurting it or burning it. I just really love this product.
So if you like having things around that make everyday things just easier, then buying this is a really good idea. But that's just my point of view.